Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this flower number 4. I'm using 3mm hook and any color of yarn you want. Excuse me for my voice because I get cold and the nose is a little bit blocked. Let's start with a magic circle. Insert the hook, pull the yarn over, chain 1. Now we need to make a 6 single crochet in this magic circle. If you want a 6 petals, then you crochet 6 single crochet. If you want 5 petals, then you crochet 5 single crochet. Now I finished 6 single crochet in the magic circle. If you're a beginner, put a pin in the first stitch, so this way it will be easier to find a stitch when you're joining around. Count on these V shapes. Pull the yarn tight and snip stitch to join around. Insert the hook to where the pin is. Snip stitch, chain 1. Following, we are going to make 2 half double crochet in the same stitch, 1 half double crochet, and put the pin on the first stitch if you are a beginner. Second half double crochet in the same stitch. So we just follow this pattern, 2 half double crochet in 1 stitch, 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochets in the same stitch. Please follow this pattern and finish the round. Finish all 12 half double crochet, snip stitch to the first stitch where pin is, chain 1, and cut off the yarn because we're going to change the other color for the next round. Insert the hook to any stitch. Pull the yarn over, make 4, chain 4. And make a treble crochet in the same stitch, another treble crochet in the same stitch, and make 2 treble crochet from the following stitch, 1 treble crochet, 2 treble crochet, and chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Snip stitch to the first same stitch and chain 1, snip stitch to the next stitch. So that's one set, 2 stitches as a set. We're repeating 4, chain 4 and treble crochet from the same stitch, another treble crochet from the same stitch, and 2 treble crochet from the following stitch, 1, 2, and chain 4, snip stitch to the same stitch, chain 1, and snip stitch to the next stitch. Please follow this pattern and finish the round. So here comes to the last petal, treble crochet, another 2 treble crochet from the following stitch, 2 treble crochet, chain 4, snip stitch to the same stitch, chain 1, and snip stitch to join around, chain 1 and cut off the yarn. We are going to change another color for the next round. Insert the hook to the chain 1 space, pull the yarn over, chain 5. Following, we are going to crochet on this treble crochet stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4. On those 4 stitches, make 4 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, 4 single crochet, and chain 5, and snip stitch to the next chain 1 area. Insert the hook to chain 1 space, snip stitch. Following, we're going to repeat this pattern, chain 5, and crochet 4 single crochets in the 4 treble crochet stitch. 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, 4 single crochet, chain 5, and snip stitch to the chain 1 space. Chain 5, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, 4 single crochet, chain 5, snip stitch to the chain 1 space. Please follow this pattern and finish the round. Here we comes to the last petal. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, 4 single crochets, chain 5, and snip stitch to the first stitch to join around chain 1 and cut off the yarn. Now we turn the flower weaving ends. I normally tie the 2 ends and weaving the ends. And just cut off the rest of the yarn. And this is our flower number 4. The reason I call it number 4 because this is the 4th flower tutorial I made. If you learned how to make this flower, please like this video and comment with your flower. Oh, and subscribe for more crochet ideas. Thank you for watching. See you next time.